Hey bears, how you doing? It is Amy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use filters on desktop. So firstly, you need to download Snap Camera, and the way that you can find it is literally just go into Google and type in Snap Camera, and the website will come up. Then download it and install it onto your PC or Mac. And once you've done that, it should then open up its own little webpage. And as you can see, I've been playing around a little bit with it, but you get lots of cool different filters, many to choose from. So let's get to sending a Bonjoro. So go to your Bonjoro, hit record now. And then as you can see, currently doesn't have a filter. That's because I haven't connected it yet and I haven't chosen the right camera. So always go to your settings to make sure that you choose the right camera and microphone. If you haven't done that already, hit Snap Camera. And there you go, I've got a filter just to make sure. Let's change my filter. Let's change it to that weird one next to it. There you go. Yeah. So then you can do as many different filters as you like. Just make sure that you do change your settings to make sure that you are on Snap Camera. And that applies also to any of your Chrome videos as well. And that's it. Enjoy using filters. I hope you have fun with it. They're a lot of fun. I definitely have fun anyway. Yeah, have a great day, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.